This is, guys, exactly how I made $20,000 without even trading actively. A month ago, I bought 10 million rubles because I saw signs on the market, and especially here on the video, you might see why and what I did. And this is now 1.2 BTC instead of 0.8 BTC, which makes it fantastic. 50% up in BTC. This is my ultimate goal in trading. And guys, I'm going to add my video where I explain how market cipher B is working and why I saw that. You know, I'm a hater of indicators, but not in that case. I like to trade combinations of things, and especially since I understand how the world is moving, this is why I make money. You might hate the government, you might not like the politics, but let's be real, you probably love money, especially I do. And if you love money, then listen up. A month ago, I told everyone, okay guys, it's time to buy rubles. And people were saying, oh dude, you like to buy shit coins from probably most of you know for the last 12 years. Or, nah, rubles is trash, why would you ever go long on that thing? And you know what? Most of the time, right, it goes down. But here I saw signs. And now we look at the price instead of 112 rubles per dollar, but 90 rubles per dollar. It's a 20% up in 1 month. Okay, in 2 months. And while everyone was panicking, I was making the call because I saw signs. And now I'm about to make another call. And guys, our goal is to make money before people realize that they should buy things. So when everyone is scared, this is where you are buying. When I'm buying, I don't feel very comfortable. And when you are not comfortable buying things, this is the right time. So you're gonna ask me, what's next? Because if you think the ruble was the ultimate goal and the only play, you're about to miss something big time. It's like with cryptocurrency. First you start with Bitcoin, then Ethereum pumps, then Litecoin, Solana, then good coins pump, then shit coins pump. Or people are greedy, since it's all psychology. Yeah, everyone goes all in, balls deep into Dogecoin or Pepe or Pepe. And now we can talk about Russian energy and industries. Gazprom, Rosgidro, whatever is this. Commodity giants. Their stocks still criminally undervalued. China and India are stockpiling, and Europe locked in a contract. These companies are making billions, but their stocks worth like nobody wants them, and this won't last forever. Smart money sees that, do you? By the way, before you start hating me, guys, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this Russian sector right now? Because I'm pretty sure in a half a year, you'll be thinking, holy shit, Ilya Asky told me again and again it overpumped. Why timing is everything. The biggest mistake people make, they wait. They think, oh, I'll buy it later, and then boom, they missed it. When markets are cheap, they're scared. When it pumps, they FOMO in, then this is how they lose money. And this is actually true why most of the people don't make money. It's all about psychology, it's all about FOMO and buying the top. And when you are scared, you are selling to smart money. I'm not telling you guys what to do. Let's be real. The biggest gains go to those who are moving before the crowd. Look at 2008, 2014, 2020. Markets are repeating, cycles are the same. Imagine if you were buying when it was just dropping, and if you're not leverage trading or something. So you were buying at the bottom, then even if it dipped just a little bit for a couple more weeks, now you would be just sitting there, oh, okay, I did X10, X5 on stupid stocks, not even in crypto. It's like I never bought any stocks before the COVID. And since I had E-Trade account, I was able to buy Tesla. I was thinking, okay, planes will probably fly one day soon during the COVID when everything was just landed and that's it. I bought Airbus, I bought Boeing, but Boeing, you know, sometimes it flies up, sometimes it's down, but still stocks are going up. But with Tesla, I sold half of that when it doubled, and when it started going even more up, I just sold everything. And then after that, it doubled and doubled, and I'm like, holy guacamole. Okay, but I'll take it. It's still profits. We're here for profits. Let me guess, but what if all of that will crash? Markets don't run on what ifs. They run on numbers. Oil, raw materials, everyone needs that. The progress needs all those metals and everything. Look at Gazprom. Look at their balance sheet. Look at their profits. People invest based on fear and greed. And if you are scared right now, you're gonna be exit liquidity for those who are not scared. So do you want to be ahead of everyone, or you want to be exit liquidity? I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to show you how really money are moving. If you want to keep following people that are chasing pumps and dumps and getting dumped on, feel free, it's your choice. So guys, if you want to stay ahead, please hit the subscribe button. And by the way, don't forget that I'm giving you away sometimes cryptocurrency. And the more channel is active, more comments, more algorithm shows me that I'm actually doing good, more money I will be giving away. And by the way, if you were thinking that XRP is a good investment, check out this video where it actually lost 90% of value in compare with BTC. So if you had 5 Bitcoins back then 4 years ago, now it's 0.5 after the pump, not before the pump. If you think it's a great investment, let me know why it's a great investment. I'd like to hear your voice. Thank you very much. Love you all. Kisses.